event of the alleged 5,000, it's really not 5,000. We do pay out for 1,000.
Vice Gov, Uyo, meron kang pinabit yan? O nasabit na ninyo?
Yes,
Sa
we
committee?
submitted to the committee, Your Honor,
Submit na?
the recanted affidavit of
So when you
So-
say it's the 1,000,
Wala man kami,
ay, nagsabi ka na 1,000, sir, kayo, nirikant yan, dahil 1,000 lang natanggap talaga niya.
may sinabi na sabi siya na, ang sabi nila 1,000 lang. Yun lang din ang nilagay sa lawyer namin.
So there's no recantation at all.
Oh.
Ito na eh, plano na natin. Alam mo sinabi dito, hindi lang niya alam yung actual, yung amount na supposed to be tatanggapin nila dahil nakakover na yung amount. So there's no mention here about 5,000 or he was expecting for 4,000.
Sayang oras natin, we're after the syndicates. So, avoid na natin itong, this is a manifestation of some local politics kasi pinoison yung mind para siguro, imbis na maging thankful yung recipient, magalit pa.
Sa pagkaltas, kagaya ng 5,000 minus 4,000, 1,000 ang nadala, natira na take-home nila. 10,000 sa estudyante, kinaltas ang 9,000, 1,000 ang kanilang nadala. Ako pong nagsabi niyan, Your Honor, sinabi ko po, mag-complain kayo para managot yung mga gumagawa at maibalik yung pera ninyo na kinuha nila.
Pero hindi ka nag-promise na coming from your pocket, ikaw ang magbibigay
Hindi
sa...
po, kasi kaya po sinubmit ko po dito sa opisina nyo
Okay.
yung may affidavit na po, Your Honor. At gusto ko
Thank you.
pong malaman kung kailan po yung date na sinabi niya dahil wala namang payout ng DSWD na 1,000 only. Ang payout ng DSWD ay, kaya gusto ko kunin at matagal ko na ni-request din ang regional office ng DSWD at province na mag-submit sila ng list sa lahat ng beneficiary hanggang ngayon. Ang sagot, ano yun, attorney? Sagot nila? Ikaw daw, anong sagot ng DSWD? Sige, sabihin mo dito sa microphone.
Ikaw lang magsabi, ikaw lang magsabi.
Kailangan daw nila ng data sharing agreement. Bakit ganun ba kahirap maghingi ng list ng
Ano
beneficiary?
hindi kami hirapan? This committee is ordering this WD to please submit to this committee yung pangalan at saka amount. Ha? Please, yung nirelease sa this WD.
From 2021 po, Your Honor, to present, kasama na po ang duli. Kasi nandito, ito naman po.
Hindi natin ma-require next hearing.
Ah.
I-require natin.
Oh.
So, can you give that data to this committee? This WD, using the Maporo?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we will submit to you the list. It's true that we are very careful about data sharing, and that is a requirement. But for this committee, we are required, obviously, to provide you the information that you need.
Thank you. Thank you for that cooperation.
Chair, may I make further clarification?
Yes.
I would like to thank the governor also for bringing your witnesses forward because these are very serious cases. That's very distressing. Ang financial assistance, ang inyong mga tabang para sa inyo. Dili dapat na unsa na kalkas. Dili pwede kuhaon. So this is a serious problem, and it's also equally distressing that it's happening in other agencies, or it's happening by syndicates or other groups in other agencies, and when we would like to also learn how we can improve our mechanisms. Just to clarify, ang Facebook post ni Governor on the 5,000 and the 9,000, and gikuha ang 9,000, the 5,000, that the event of the alleged 5,000, it's really not 5,000. We do pay out for 1,000. The amounts of payouts depend on the validation, depend on the qualifications that are done, that are reviewed by our social workers. There are guidelines for the different amounts.
So for the record, nagre-release rin kayo talaga ng 1,000.
Yes. Nagre-release ng 1,000.
That's good to know.
It's not IX 5,000 for all or educational assistant 10,000 for all. It depends on the validation. It also depends on the program. Every event is a different program. And as I mentioned earlier,
And it did really happen.
yes, it
Na, nakabigay
ang nakukuha is 1,000. Yes. 1,000.
1,000. So,
Yes.
confirm ngayon ng DSWD na totoo yun na mayroong 1,000 na payout na ginagawa nila sa Davao Norte as stated by Milardo Heraldizo. 1,000 lang ba natanggap mo, no? So confirm 1,000, meron din silang release ng
Yes,
1,000.
and the planned release amount is really 1,000, not 5,000.
Okay.
So it's not that 5,000 was promised or was announced.
No debate about that.
Not at all.
Debate about that. Meron bang DSWD na gustong hindi makarating yung tulong nila doon sa tao na dapat? Well,
Yes, po.
ako from the very beginning, I have no doubts with DSWD.
Yes.
Imposible kayong magiging nitong kalukuhan nito.
Yes,
Pero
po.
if the investigation turns out otherwise, pasisya na lang.
Yes, po.
Meron kayong tauhan na masasabi dito. Pero initially, as a general sentiment coming from this committee, we don't believe dahil alam namin na kung ano pinipirma, yun talaga nirelease ninyo.
Yes.
Walang nagsasabi sa amin dito na, in fact, ito mga witnesses, nagsasabi na talagang pinirmahan nila 10,000 binigay ninyo. Pinasok lang sila sa ibang kwarto, doon binawi yung 9,000, 1,000 lang ang binalik sa kanila. So,
Yes.
as of now, I'm not absolving you from any administrative or criminal liability, but per my personal observation, you cannot condone this kind of acts. Kasi kayo mismo,
Yes.
DSWD, yan ang yung mandato, tumulong sa tao. Hindi para kumaltas ng pera ng tao.
Yes.
Di ba? So, klaro tayo dyan. So, totoo yun, merong 1,000.
Meron.
Okay.
Yes.
So, padayon ta. Okay lang tayo. Yusek, ha?
yes, okay.
Mayroon ka pa idagdag?
Well, just one last.
Okay.
You just in relation po yung sa overload or the load of requests of financial assistance. This is why we accept referrals from other local officials or or anybody, any private person. We accept referrals because hindi namin kaya makover lahat. We won't know. And also that is the reason there exists that MOA between LGU for us to lay down the burden to serve the people who need the financial assistance. Pero itong mga LGU, they're in good standing. Now, whether that needs to be reviewed, that is something that we will definitely look into and improve our systems.
Again, this committee is not questioning you about that certain policy na dinidevolve nyo yung pera sa kanila. Wala. Hindi kami nagtatanong dyan. Ang importante lang makakarating yung pera talaga. And we admire your diskarte. If we call that as diskarte, na dahil kulang kayo ng tao, yung pinasa nyo sa local LGU, pero makarating talaga yung pera. Kaysa naman DSWD, sige lang hawak ng pera, hindi ibababa yung pera sa tao. Di ba? We admire your ano bang tag-English dyan sa diskarte? Strategy para makarating yung pera doon sa baba na gamitin yung LGU. I-devolve yung pera. Wala naman siguro LGU na hindi mapagkatiwalaan. Unless mapasukan ng sindikato, yun ang problema ngayon dyan. Di ba? So, please continue. Nong. Maurigito?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, God.
hindi ko masundan ang testimony ni Mr. Minardo. Hindi natin na contextualize. Pwede bang attorney tanungin siya ano yung date ng payout na yun? Okay, anong programa ng payout na yun? At sa saan lugar? Para alam natin, then ibabangga natin sa records ng DSWD
Yes, Your Honor.
anong petsa yan? Nahitabo. Unsay programa? Asa, gihatag ang kwarta.
He mentioned, Your Honor, that he forgot, Your Honor, but it's in his affidavit, Your Honor.
Yung pinabit niya, Vice Gov, Uyo, meron kang pinabit niya? O nasabit na ninyo?
Yes,
Sa
we
committee?
submitted to the committee, Your Honor,
Submit na?
the recanted affidavit of
So when you
So-
say it's a recantation affidavit, meron ka rin nagpirma ka ng affidavit doon na binawasan ka ng pera? Yung una. Kasi kung that is a recantation, we should assume na merong previous statement, previous
Pero I'm sure yung two affidavits niya refer to one program, one date, one venue. Yan lang. Ang binago lang niya dun is yung allegation na expectation niya ay 5,000 pero 1,000 lang ang nabigay. Kasi ibabangga ko sa DSWD record. Kasi ang inputs from the DSWD, yung programs ninyo, varied amounts. So, nung date and time na programa na inavail ni Mr. Hilal Dizo, was the amount, para alam natin. Maniwala naman ako na on a certain program, iba-iba amount ng iba-ibang tao. Isang amount lang doon sa certain program na yon. Kasi kung ganun kayo ka-complicated, magulo yun, ha? Kunyari, one program, AX, you give different amounts to different people in that one incident? You give a standard amount on that day. Sagot.
One amount for one venue.
Correct. Tama. Because impossible. Hindi ako maniniwala doon sa sophistication ninyo kung gano'n ka-iba-iba. At saka, of course, that's a good reason for the fraud na guguluhin niyo yung records niyo. So tama. Tama yan. So ibangganan natin yung... Kasi sagot niyo parang alam na ninyo yung incident when it happened. Hindi naman niya sinabi. You have a copy of his affidavit ba? Nabasa? Oh, alam niyo na kagad na he participated in a program na 1,000 na ang binigay. Ba't alam ninyo?
We have actually, Your Honor.
Yes. Affidavit?
Yes.
Okay, ba't sagot si Mr. Lopez kasi wala? Ha? Meron. So alam niyo na yung background facts niya.
Yes,
Alam
Your
niyo na.
Honor.
So na-check na ninyo on that.
actually, the affidavit did not state also how much po yung promise. It's blank.
No, but binanggit ba niya anong program? Is it an AX
Yes po,
program?
it's
Okay.
AX.
Binanggit niya yung PETSA?
Petsa.
Oh, okay. What was your AX program on that date? In that particular place? What place in Davao del Norte muna?
It is in Tagum, Davao del
Tagum.
Norte.
Sige, what was okay.
Dated October.
What was the amount ninyo per your record na binigay ninyo sa mga tao?
We brought along our payroll, Your Honor, and it shows that he received 1,000 for Maynardo Heraldizo.
So 1,000, yun. So that was a program na 1,000 talaga ang pinamigay. So kahit sinong interviewin ngayon dyan, dapat sagot nila 1,000 ang in-announce na halaga. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
So those are clear facts, Mr. Chairman.
So, there's no anomaly. Pagdating doon sa 1,000 yun, walang anomalya.
Actually, Mr. Chair, if we really analyze it, they're a group of 7. And they are claiming that the amount they should receive is 5,000. But in truth, and if we bangga it with our payroll, it's really 1,000. So it's
Bakit lumabas yung expectation nila na 5,000?
we can ask.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
okay, binangga nga nila sa record sila 1,000. Pero ano nga yung programang anunsyo sa PETSA na yun, sa place na yun, sa AX program na yun? Anong inanunsyo na halaga?
1,000.
Correct. So consistent ka lahat. Okay, so okay. Okay, so it's not only the payroll. They received what you said they should be receiving. Okay. Okay.
So 1,000. Walang nangaltas doon. Wala ha? So, okay tayo doon. So, okay na. Okay na. Pumunta nung tingnan ka, dahil lang, bago ka mo umalis. Kasi, nag-recant ka karon. Recantation itong pinabit na sinasabi mo. So, beforehand, meron ba siya pinirma na pinabit na binawasan siya ng pera?
1,000 din.
Yes po.
Ano to, Jim?
Nanti
Present na to.
warga itu
Perma.
nasa dito dito. Pero ito na to nga istorya na to sila. Side.
Tanawa daw.
Yeah, wait, sige.
Your Honor, he's saying, Your Honor, that he had executed an affidavit joint with other individuals, and he said that it was from the governor's office, though, Your Honor.
Governor's office.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang kumuha ng pinabit.
Your Honor. Your Honor. May I present
Right.
the affidavit of this Mr. Maynardo Heraldizo? Kasi yung affidavit niya, Your Honor, is 1,000 din ang nilagay niya.
Doon sa pinabit
Doon
na
sa
una.
affidavit niya. Na 1,000 lang natanggap niya.
Okay.
Kaya kiniter lang din namin. Na, nandito yung affidavit, Your Honor.
So
1,000.
ano yung recant niya?
Kaya,
What's to recant kung
Yes.
pareho 1,000?
wala man kaming
Ay, nagay na 1,000 sir. Kaya ni-recant niya dahil 1,000 lang natanggap talaga niya.
kaming sinabi na sabi siya na, ang sabi niya 1,000 lang. Yun lang din ang nilagay sa lawyer namin.
So there's no recantation at all.
Oo.
Ito na eh. Plano na natin.
Your Honor,
Anong nire-recant niya? Sabi ko nga, anong nire-recant niya ngayon?
actually, Your Honor, if I may, Your Honor, it's like this. It's true that in his affidavit he received 1,000 pesos. But
You're referring to the first affidavit.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Then, but in that affidavit, Your Honor, it is said that he's insinuating, Your Honor, that it was supposedly 5,000 pesos and the 4,000 pesos was not given to him.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Your Honor,
more or less, that is the,
Patapusin natin.
more or less, Your Honor, that is what he was recanting, Your Honor.
Okay. Nirikant niya yung
Yes, Your Honor.
5,000, 4,000 na